Hello everyone, very good afternoon to all of you. Today is our third day of presentation on paper number 106 and my presentation topic is War, Art and Immortality of W.B. Yeats, a philosophy of poetry. So let's start. This is my academic information. This is table of contents which we will discuss in detail. And research question and hypothesis. My research question is how does William Butler Yeats' vision of poetry reflect his philosophical beliefs, historical consciousness, and use of symbolism? And how do these elements hypothesis is Yeats' poetry is deeply influenced by his engagement with mysticism, history, and symbolism, suggesting that he perceived poetry as a bridge between the material and the spiritual worlds. His extensive use of esoteric imagery, including gyres, the mystical Byzantium, and mythological references, indicates a belief in poetry as a means of revelation and prophecy. Furthermore, his concept of historical cycles, influenced by his study of occultism and philosophical traditions, reinforces the idea that poetry serves as a tool to interpret and predict the course of human civilization. And here the first introduction, Yeats' vision of poetry. As earlier Sanket mentioned in his presentation, like William Butts, born in 1865 and died on 1939. He one of the greatest modernist poets. His poetry reflects deep concerns about nationalism, war, mythology, and artistic transcendence. He lived through turbulent times, witnessing Irish nationalism, World War I, the Easter Rising 1960, and the Irish Civil War. His philosophy of poetry was influenced by Irish folklore and mythology, then mysticism and the occult, then more romanticism and symbolism, and political and social upheavals. And here, historical context. Ireland stimulates time. Main idea of this point is Yeats lived through periods of intense political and social turmoil, which shaped his poetry. Key historical events that influenced Yeats: Irish nationalism, the growing demand for independence from British rule, then the Easter Rising of 1960, a major turning point in Yeats' political consciousness. Then, as we know, World War I, when it's occurred 1940 to 1918, a time of global upheaval that influenced his themes of destruction and rebirth. Then the Irish Civil War 1922 to 1923, the eternal conflict within Ireland that further shaped his reflection on violence and loss. Here the example, poem Easter 1960, Yeats reflect on the sacrifice made by Irish revolutionary and the birth of a new political identity. A quote like all change utterly, a terrible beauty is born, a paradox capturing the tension between destruction and creation. Then war as a catalyst, transmuting conflict into art. Yeats' view on war, so war as a both a destructive and creatively inspiring. Then violence and imagery, used war's chaos to create powerful and intense images. Then trauma and artistic creation, believed uphill pushes poets to find in a deeper meaning. Then key quote is we make out of the quarrel with others that rhetoric, but of the quarrel with ourselves poetry. Example like the second coming, this written in 1990, after the World War the first, reflecting global instability. Things fall apart, the center cannot hold. This represent words collapsing and the rough beast, symbol of an uncertain and ominous future. And then art as a transcendence, the power of beauty, art as an escape. It's so art as a refuge from war, destruction, and political turmoil. He believed beauty and artistic expression could elevate human consciousness. Then symbolism and mythology. He incorporated Irish folklore, Greek myths, and mystical symbols in his poetry. These elements help him convey universal and timeless truth. Then influence of the occult. Yeats was deeply involved in mysticism esoteric traditions, and spiritualism. His occult beliefs influence his themes of transformation, fate, and destiny. And then here the example of his poem Sailing to Byzantium. This first published in 1927. The poem represents the journey from physical decay to spiritual and artistic immortality. Byzantium symbolizes an ideal world where art transcends human limitations. And quote like, "The world is full of magic things, patiently waiting for our sense to grow sharper." Now, this suggests that beauty and higher truth exist but require deep perception. And then immortality through verse defying time. Here the many points, like first is poetry as the eternal. William Butler Yeats saw poetry as a medium that defies time, keeping idea, emotions, and figure alive across generation. Then second one is art as a legacy. A poet may die, but their words continue to inspire, ensuring they are never truly forgotten. Then third one is timeless beauty in nature and art. Yeats often compared the fleeting nature of human life to the enduring beauty of art and nature. Then symbolism of the swan in the wild swan at pool. The swan represent constancy, unlike human life, which is full of change and decay. Then the role of memory through words. Memory are preserved, allowing future readers to experience the emotions and thoughts of the past. Here the quote like, "Time and the world are ever in flight," suggest that everything changes, but poetry captures the essence of life, making it immortal. And then connection to the myth and history. Yeats used the mythology to link the past with the present, reinforcing the idea that art bridges time. And then criticism and controversy. Complex legacy of Yeats. William Butler Yeats remains a complex and sometimes controversial figure due to his shifting political views and deep engagement with mysticism. While his early works reflected strong nationalist sentiments, his later fascination with authoritarian ideas has drawn criticism. His involvement with the occult and esoteric belief added depth to his poetry, but also made some of his idea seem abstract or elitist. A critic debate whether his later works promote a rigid social hierarchy or simply use a symbolism to explore timeless human struggle. Despite these controversies, Yeats' poetry continues to be studied for its artistic brilliance and historical significance. And here the Yeats' enduring relevance, art in times of crisis. William Butler Yeats' poetry continues to echo in modern times, addressing political upheaval, war, and personal transformation. And then his exploration of mysticism and symbolism offers a deeper understanding of art's spiritual and philosophical role. And then art as a resistance and renewal, showing how poetry can both critique and transcend difficult realities. His vision of history as cyclical, a warning of repeating crisis and the need for wisdom in turbulent times. And last one is Yeats' legacy reminds us that art can shape identity, provide meaning, and offer a lasting voice amid change. And here the conclusion, the timeless vision of Yeats. W.B. Yeats, a philosophy of poetry, stands as a testament to the enduring power of art in times of chaos, conflict, and uncertainty. His works reflect the deep connection between war, beauty, and immortality, showing how poetry can both document history and transcend time. Through his masterful use of symbolism, mythology, and personal reflection, Yeats transformed moment of turmoil into lasting artistic expression. His poetry not only immortalizes historical events and figures, but also invites readers to engage with a profound passion about identity, change, and the human condition. Even today, his vision remains relevant, reminding us that art has the power to offer solace, and inspire change and the outlive its creators. And here the references. And thank you. I hope you found my presentation insightful. And if you have more clarity, so feel free to ask your questions.
So Divya, my question is for you that why is Yeats poetry still important today and how does it continue to influence modern readers?
Yes, Krupali. As we saw in earlier slide, like WB Yeats use WB Yeats poetry is reflect in today's life, because he written in such things like love, war, and history represent, and people like reader, writer are always inspired by him as what is the thematic concern, and many ways to write about. So
So Divya, my question is, how does it show the power of beauty in art, and why does he believe it is eternal?
yes, Sanket, I agree with Yeats poetry. Is a power of beauty in art, and people show people are when people are grow old and die, but in example, we can find his example sailing to the Byzantium. He portrayed as a one old man who want to escape her. He's aging and become a golden bird. But this is no but this is a beauty in art and shaping as like emotion of that person. So this is from my side. Thank you.